So this is the Mandalorian, the child, made by Sideshow Collectibles. They're pretty high quality reproduction of like movie memorabilia, and it's life size. So let's see what's inside. You get kind of like a certificate. It says congratulations guild member on acquiring the asset. And it was called it's kind of known as Baby Yoda, or the child in the movie, or in the Mandalorian. They referred to it as an asset at first. Later on we find out his name is Grogu. Let's see. Okay. It's a sticker of Sideshow Collectibles. Okay, that's pretty good. Wow, he's really realistic. Those eyes look amazing. He has little fuzzy hair on his head. The detail and coloration is just pretty awesome. The texture of the skin. It's not like the plain plastic that you would see on like toys. It's pretty good reproduction. And his coat has a zipper. It's really well made, high quality. And they include the little ball, which was the kind of like the, what do you call it, the stick shift or whatever in the ship. And let's see. There's a magnet so he can hold it. Okay, let's take out the stand. So there's Mandalorian the child, life-size figure. It's limited edition. The stand is pretty heavy. It's weighted, I think, so the figure doesn't fall over. The figure itself is, you know, it's pretty good weight. It kind of feels like a real baby. Okay, there's like a knob that you put the foot into. It's pretty awesome. turn around here. It really almost feels like you can really talk, like it's going to say something. But it's really well made. Max, do you like Grogu? Say hi, Max.